In this video, I will walk you through how to implement page object model in Playwright Cucumber. Let me explain what is page object model and why do we need it. Page object model is a design pattern that helps you to create an object repository for web elements and making your test scripts more readable and maintainable. Instead of duplicating the code for interacting with same elements across a different test, you write it once in a page object class and reuse it whenever it is needed. So we'll start reviewing the existing feature file and step definition which I have created and then see how to create a page class and integrate with step definition. I have already set up a Playwright BDD framework complete with the feature file and step definitions. Let's look at the feature file which is located in the features folder. I have created the demo login.feature file. Here we have a scenario outline that is the login functionality of demo application. Actually, it defines the steps like navigating to the application and entering the credentials and verifying the welcome message. And the next one is step definition. I have created the demo login step.js file under the steps folder where each step in our feature file is mapped into this function. So once a page class is created, I'll explain how to integrate the page class and how to we use a page class methods in our step definition file. To implement page object model, let me create a pages folder under the test folder. Pages, and this is where we'll store all our page objects files to keep our project organized. Under this pages folder, let me create a JavaScript file login page.js. This file will encapsulate all the interactions related to the login page. So we'll start by defining the class called login page. You can see first I have added expect function for doing assertions. I have created a class login page and inside the constructor I have placed the locators. This class will contain the locators of all the elements as well as a method for interacting with these elements. So once the locators is added, let's add the methods to this class. Let me start with launch URL. So launch URL method has been created for navigates to the login page and checks if the header is visible or not. And the next method is entering the usernames and password. And this is a method for enter the username and password. These methods will fill the respective fields with provided values, which is given in the feature file. So next methods is clicking the login button and verifying the home page. This method is for clicking the login button and verify the user has successfully logged in by checking the home page header. So once all the method has been created, we need to export the page class. Module exports login page so that it can be used in our step definition file. We have created our login page class. So let's see how to integrate with our step definition. At the top of the demo login step.js file, we need to import the necessary modules. I have imported the given when done module from the Cucumber. So to achieve the page object model, we need to import the login page class which we created earlier. The first step we define is a given step. In this step, we are navigating to the demo application. We need to create an instance for the class and which allows us to access the method defined in the login page. So the instance is created and I have accessed the launch URL method from the login page class. By the same way, I have added the scripts for all the steps. By following this approach, we have successfully implemented the page object model in Playwright. So if you have multiple pages in your application, you can add multiple pages under this pages folder. Currently, I have added only for login page. You can add based on your requirements. Thanks for watching this video.